And welcome back to the 10x Gain Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Friday, April 3rd. It is 9:51 p.m. as I'm recording this video. XRP is at $1.32. Let's dive right into today's video, guys. First off, from Bird, we've got how many times does 589 have to show up? Linked to the biggest intelligence agencies on the planet. And guys, this is from Artemis, the rocket that just launched on April Fool's Day, April 1st. It's honestly insane. So guys, here's we have it at 589, 589 miles. It completely just
we see the same.
Closes out. Wow. Guys, you cannot make this up. I mean, this is coming from NASA. This is absolutely insane. The signals and patterns around XRP, the financial system, and the next phase of global finance keep appearing over and over again. At some point, you have to ask yourself, coincidence or something bigger unfolding? And guys, in my opinion, it is happening. We've got from Dark Defender, XRP Army, this is no joke. Enjoy. And we've got a target here of $2.589, $2.58, roughly that 260 range. And as you guys can see, this is on the weekly time frame where we have been consolidating for quite some time, and we are getting ready for an explosive move, whether that's to the upside or to the downside. Guys, we are going to see something massive within the next 48 hours. We also have news that the Clarity Act is getting ready to pass any hour now. So that could push XRP up to that $2 price target. We've got from Brad Garlinghouse, the secret sauce. Well, for one, he's replying to this, but from the moment G Treasury became Ripple Treasury, we've been building to this, giving corporates a clear, trusted entry point into digital assets. With the addition of digital asset accounts and unified treasury, Ripple Treasury gives the office of the CFO a trusted single place to hold and manage both digital and fiat assets. Next up, connecting to Ripple's regulated payments network and prime brokerage that allows corporates to use digital assets and stable coins to orchestrate cross-border intercompany payments, 24/7 yield on idle cash, and so much more. Guys, corporate treasury has never had a solution like this before. And Brad, he replies and says the secret sauce is simple. 1, give corporates a trusted, regulated entry point embedded in workflows that they already use. 2, remove the friction between managing different accounts, fiat or digital. Both of those are now solved today with Ripple Treasury. Ripple Treasury is on a tear. Last year, facilitating $13 trillion in payments for customers. This year, with the adoption of native digital asset capabilities. Let's go, guys. Absolutely massive, massive news as Ripple yet again is making waves in the digital finance space. Let's get right into it. We got another one from Bird. Ripple is connected to 13,000 banks, which is pretty much the whole planet. Also, 12.5 trillion in payments already. The numbers speak for themselves. World domination is upon us. And guys, as you know, we just need clarity. We need rules. We need regulations. We need all these things to happen for these partnerships with these banks to actually go live, for XRP to actually be used. But behind the scenes, there are over 13,000 partnerships with banks that Ripple has. And guys, it is just building up until the clarity is passed. So massive, massive, massive. We've got watch closely April, May, June, July. And guys, we just hit April not a couple days ago. Reset will occur swiftly. There was a financial reset overnight. And guys, we are looking for 2025 to 2026, abrupt change. The reset will occur swiftly. Financial reset overnight, as said by Mr. Poole many, many years
When would you expect to?
We got just in the OCC rule that banks can buy and sell crypto starting on April 1st. Guys, it's April 3rd. So now banks can actually buy and sell crypto. It is official. Very, very bullish. Let's dive right into the charts and see where we're at for XRP. We're looking at the daily time frame. XRP is coming in at $1.31. And guys, as you guys can see, we are right consolidating here. Almost kind of below where we were, but we're still in the means of support here. And we really are coming to a decision point, whether we are going to go up or down. It is decision time. And guys, here are the targets. If we do fall down, I would expect a potential retest of this trend line coming in at around $1. So that is possible to wick to $1. But if we break to the upside, I would be expecting our first target to be around $1.55. And you can easily just connect a couple wicks. And you can see we've been running into some resistance right here. So we could be seeing that $1.55 range, you know, in the immediate short term if we do break to the upside. Now, if we take a closer look and we go down to the 4 hour here, what you can notice, let's just draw this real quick. So we've got this pattern playing out here. It looks like a megaphone pattern where we've got, you know, something like this. Bear with me. Can be a little sloppy, not perfect. I could even connect it to this. But ultimately, guys, you see we have resistance, resistance, resistance. The resistance line up top is actually getting higher and higher as we are continuing up. And then the support down below is actually going lower and lower. So we have a megaphone pattern right now. You can see this line. Once we get to it, we either kiss it perfectly or we fall through it, but we end up closing the candle above it. So, you know, either way you look at it here. And right now we have just been consolidating. I mean, this is on the 4 hour. We are about to get a major move here pretty soon. So if we go down and we break down, you know, that first target is going to be around $1.28, maybe a wick below to $1.26. But if we do shoot to the upside, that first target, we're going to be looking at around $1.37, $1.38. So we will be keeping an eye on that just to see, you know, guys. And if we are shooting up, we get past $1.38, we close a 4 hour candle above, we are going to be heading back to that $1.55 level that we talked about earlier. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the channel, liking the content, and I will keep you updated in the next one. Till next time.
Let's see what you got, LeBron. Flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, just wanted peace of mind. They focus on the future, never on right now.